Moving for another question. We are having find the intervals on which the following function is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing, and this is a trigonometric function. For fx is equal to sine raised to power 4x plus cos raised to power 4x, and intervals are given 0 is less than is equal to x is less than is equal to pi by 2. Now we are having fx is equal to plus cos 4x. Now differentiating with respect to x, f derivative x is equal to 4 sine cube x and d by dx of sine x, that is cos x, minus 4 cos cube x with sine x. Derivative of cos x is negative sine x, so that's why I have written negative here. Now f derivative x is equal to 4 sin x cos x common, and we are left with sin square x minus cos square x. To this we can write it 2 with 2 sin x cos x with negative of cos square x minus sin square x, so that we can make it a formula. Now this we can write it 2 with sin 2x, this part taking this negative outside, we are left with cos 2x. Okay, and further this becomes minus sin 4x. Now for f derivative x is equal to 0, we are having now negative sin 4x is equal to 0. Now when negative of sin 4x is equal to 0, what we can write it? Now for the critical value, when f derivative x is equal to 0, we are getting now minus sin 4x is equal to 0. We can write it sin 4x is equal to 0, sin 4x is equal to sin pi, or 4x is equal to pi and x is equal to pi by 4. Okay, because we are taking the value as 0 for pi. Now we are having, what are the intervals now? Intervals we are having less than pi by 4 and greater than pi by 4. So we are having for the strictly increasing, it should be in the open interval. Okay, so we are taking 0 is less than x is less than pi by 2 for the strictly increasing and strictly decreasing function. So we can write it, we are having 0 is less than x is less than pi by 2, and this implies 0 is less than 4x is less than 2 pi. Okay, so now 0 is less than x is less than pi by 4. First thing, 0 is less than x is less than pi by 4. Now this implies 0 is less than 4x is less than pi, and again now for this part up to here, now this we are going for the differential part. Now f derivative x is equal to, now we are having negative of sin 4x, so our value should be in between 0 and pi. Okay, so 0 and pi, sign is what? Positive. So we are having negative with positive, and this is equal to negative. So this is strictly decreasing. Next we are having now pi by 4 is less than x is less than pi by 2, and we want 4x angle. So we are having pi is less than 4x is less than 2 pi. Now this implies f derivative x is equal to negative with negative. Now pi to 2 pi. Pi to 2 pi in the third and the fourth quadrant, sign is what? Negative. So negative with negative, we are having positive. So this is strictly increasing. Now the function fx is strictly increasing pi by 4 to pi by 2 and strictly decreasing 0 comma pi by 4, and these are the answers. Okay, so we have to move for the trigonometric part. Be very much careful for all these things.